the law as it is now is as toothless as a toothless bulldog. I respect court decisions, but some of the injunctions are, to be honest with you, a little weird. Like injuncting the vetting of judges and magistrates. The judges themselves want to be vetted, the public want vetting. I need to have a credible judiciary to handle a fundamental thing which will arise in another 2 months' time. That is the final determination of your voting boundaries and constituency wards and so on and so on. I feel very uncomfortable leaving such a constitutional function to a nebulous institution, 3/4 of whom require vetting, and therefore I found the injunction weird. It's even this one on injuncting people from saying they want to be president. I think that it's also ridiculous, because I mean you can seeking to be president is a birthright. For the first time in the known world, in case you know another word, you can educate me. We have recruited the Chief Justice, Deputy Chief Justice, ujue watu, judges of the Supreme Court and other superior courts. And for your information, I'm sorry, Bwana Kiage, tell the DPP I don't agree with him at all. I don't think you can prosecute Kenyans at their convenience. Shall I repeat that? Yes. Yes. The position of the Ministry of Justice is that you cannot prosecute Kenyans at their convenience. Prosecute them when crime occurs. And I see absolutely no conflict between the tribunal and a prosecution. I can't see any. We are either having a new dawn or a false dawn. People who accept bribes are promptly taken to court and indicted for engaging in corruption. And that includes people who pinch other people's noses. Kenyans wanted all judges to go home, didn't you? We settled for a compromise. And the same judiciary is now reducing that compromise to something that I don't know the word for. I want that board to take up its work, because remember, the issue of boundaries for constituencies is ongoing. In the month of March, you will find these boundaries issues come out through Parliament back to the IEBC, and then Kenyans will be entitled to 3 months under Article 89(10) to challenge the decision of electoral boundaries. Are those challenges going to be put before judges who have not been vetted? This can only happen in Kenya, and sometimes it's irritating, because we read one section of the Constitution, one section of the law, and you think you are very learned.